Alright, today's video we have got question x power 3 plus x squared minus 36 solution. Then here by copy what we have x power 3 plus x squared equal to 36. Okay, then here x power 3 plus x squared minus 36 will be 0. Okay, then what are you going to do right here? And we have x power 3, of course, plus x squared minus this 36 can be written as 27. Okay, then here plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, and x power 3 plus x squared minus 27 then minus 9 will be a 0. Okay, and we shall group like terms, of course, but first we have to write x power 3 plus x squared minus 3 power 3 minus 3 squared equal to 0. Okay, and of course what I'm going to do next is to group like terms to say x power 3 minus 3x 3 power 3 plus x squared minus 3 squared equal to 0. Okay, and this one only is equal to x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 9. Okay, then plus, of course, if you see nicely, this is difference of two squares. Okay, we shall say x minus 3 times x plus 3 equal to what? 0. Okay, at this stage we have x minus 3 and x minus 3. We can factorize them out. Okay, to write x minus 3 open bracket of x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, and x minus 3 x squared plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3 here will be equal to a 0. Okay, then x minus 3 open bracket of x squared, we have 3x and x shall get plus 4x, and here we have 9 plus 3 that is equal to plus 12. Okay, that is equal to 0. Now at this stage we shall say x, okay, minus 3 equal to 0, or x squared plus 4x plus 12 equal to 0, and right here x equal to 3. Okay, and at this stage right here we have x squared plus 4x plus 12 equal to 0, and of course this is a quadratic equation. We shall solve for x. This is x1, we shall say x2 and 3 equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then x2 and 3 equal to negative b is equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of b squared equal to 16 minus 4 times, right here we shall write 1 times 12. Okay, and over 2. then x 2 and 3 equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus, here we have 48, okay, over 2, okay. And what we have right here is equal to x 2 and 3 equal to negative 4 plus or minus square root of, and of course right here we shall have negative 32 over 2, and here x 2 and 3 will be equal to negative 4 plus or minus, that is equal to 16 times 2, so that 16 squared is equal to 4, which is equal to 4i square root of 2 over 2. Then x 2 and 3 equal to negative 2 plus or minus 2i square root of 3, okay. Then solution set here, x such that x equal to 3 or negative 2 plus or minus 2i square root of 3. This is square root, okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.